I'm a seal! Oh. This is my new Dromida 118 scale monster truck. Okay, I'm so. Okay, so. So here's the actual monster truck. Give me a second. Put that right there. Okay, so this is the actual monster truck. Let's just talk about this little guy for a second. This guy. Oh, those feel nice. Those feel like they got some oil in them. That's nice. I done. Yo, I'm taking this to the skate park. It's got some nice travel. The tires feel like they are not. They just feel like they're either like hard air or foam, and you can feel that showing. It's a open diff. When we take off the body, okay, now for the actual car itself. It's not okay. It's got, I think, a Torque 370 motor. It's got some bundled up wires. It's like motor, bundled up wires. I think under that is ESC. And then the servo, this little bit right here is the servo. This is this thing is the ESC. Servo saver. And then obviously I talked about the open diff. That bumper plastic feels really that's really flexible. So it will either be strong. Or just break really easy. Now, let's talk about the actual battery itself. This comes with a 7.2 nickel metal hydride battery. If I say that wrong, don't get mad at me. Feels like it's got some decent weight to it. I'm going to talk about the tires again. It's definitely like a stadium monster truck. Now, if we put the battery back in, and put two of the clips in, I'm struggling! I'm struggling! Oh no, I'm struggling! Well, right. I'll do that later. Always keep your pens in a safe profile in one place. What we got next in here? Wild David has gone. Oh. The Wild Waffles has gone primitive. Now we freed the controller. Just in around 2.4 gigahertz radio. Coach! I'm ready. We're back. Okay, I give the Dromida 118 skill monster truck a 10 out of 10. Because it does monster truck things. And it, like, donuts backflips. And it looks really cool while doing it. And is it worth $100? Yes. Only thing I asked was the diff start to click at the end. That's all. Bye. Peace out.